It's a great day to build a coffee table.
And we're getting some rounds cut. And as you can see, I already cut one. So, got one of these cut, and I'm just gonna cut another one. So, same size. This is, a router is the best thing to have to cut rounds like this, but you can also use a jigsaw and just, you can cut two identical circles, sandwich them together, sand the outside, and they'll be close enough for the purpose we're using them for, which is the coffee table bottom and the coffee table top. So this is just the base outline here. So we got one cut, we're gonna do another one. Then we're gonna line this thing with 2x4s, but right now, I just cut off a piece of scrap 2x4 just to kind of get an idea how many I need to cut here. Got my stopping place.
Put it up there, cut it, move it. Put it up there, cut it, move it. And just keep it going. Keep the assembly line going. Let's do this. Let's build a table. Glued my 2x4 onto the base, and then I used this to lock it into place, and then I nail gunned, I flipped it over and tried with the nail gun. So now that the base is built, we're gonna put the top on it, and then we're gonna cover it with our cardboard, and then go ahead and put our 1/2-inch rounds all the way around. Yeah, so now what we're gonna do is put the cardboard around here and start putting those 1/2-inch rounds all the way around. Okay, so now I'm taking these quarter rounds and I'm going to nail them all the way around. Okay, so this is the base to the coffee table. We are gonna put a marble top on there that we got off of another coffee table. Coming through, Tootsie. Going on. And I love that.